Welcome to another Dr. Fog Adventures. This map was built in Minecraft 1.16 and it is looking at the scale of a major solar system moons by CM Patrick 1. The first moon we're looking at is Titania. Titania is 1,577 kilometers across and orbits Uranus. It's not a little bit bigger. And it is Triton. Triton is 2,707 kilometers across and orbits Neptune. I love the colors he's done on these. These are just like awesome. This is Europa, which is actually an ice planet. Curiously, the rocks that shot up into the air when the Earth was hit by an asteroid might have landed on Europa and seeded it with life. Europa is 3,122 kilometers across and orbits Jupiter. This is our good old moon. The moon is 3,474 kilometers across and orbits, of course, the Earth. The next one on our list is Io. Io is 3,643 kilometers across and orbits Jupiter. The next moon in our list is Callisto. Callisto is 4,821 kilometers across and orbits Jupiter. After Jupiter, we find Titan. Titan is 5,150 kilometers across and orbits Saturn. You see, the moons are all big. And the moons often help maintain the stability of the orbit of the planet. Without the moon, the Earth would not be spinning as orderly as it does now. The next one is Ganymede. And Ganymede is 5,270 kilometers across, and it orbits Jupiter. That was a fascinating set of facts. What other amazing facts can you find out about the moon? Have a think and have fun. Space is amazing. Please come back another day and enjoy another one of my videos of exploring different people's maps. Bye.